The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wayne County until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Castle, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cambridge City, Hagerstown, Dublin, Franklin, and Mount Auburn. This includes I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 139. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ-46, Miamisburg, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley of Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy early this evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. West winds 10. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, southwestern Union County, Indiana, southern Fayette County, Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was